most people don't think about the future, and that's one of the problems that I encounter, even moderating the forum and talking to patients. They just, especially when they're at a really young age, like in their early 20s, they're just like, I don't care about the future. I don't care what I'm going to look like when I'm 40. I just want this now.
I understand the emotional toll that hair loss can take in a younger patient, but at the same time, I don't want to sell him a false dream.
Yeah.
Because you live longer between your 30 to your 50s than just your 20s.
Exactly. That's true.
And I have patients that had surgery, bad surgery elsewhere, and their life has been destroyed. No, they used to have a good career, but now they have to take a low paid job because they can still wear a hat in the warehouse somewhere, because they cannot show off their hairline because they've been destroyed. So because of the mistake they made when they were in their 20s.
Yeah.
And those are real stories of patients coming every day in my practice.
Yeah. And it's a shame. It really is a shame that some doctors will do that and act against the patient's best interest just for the money. I mean, that really is a shame. And unfortunately, that happens more often than not. So it's important, that if you're interested in having a hair transplant, you should be joining these type of discussions to become educated from experts in the field like yourself. I think that's crucial.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and for more great content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and also go to www.bhrclinic.com and start your journey for a free assessment with Dr. Bisanga. Thanks ever so much. Let's get started together, and look forward to seeing you soon.